On 10th May 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, had inaugurated the Collective Marketing Centre of Synroplang Village organisation at Thadmuthlong under Mission Lakadong. Under this mission, the government envisions to double production and double farmers' income, which is a unique initiative for Meghalaya's unique spice, turmeric, where the approach from scheme mode to mission mode will fulfill the government's vision for the farmers of the state. On the same day, the Chief Minister also inaugurated the PRIME Entrepreneurship Meghalaya at Laskein in West Jaintia Hills. The first of its kind Lakadong Fest was also opened at Laskein. The festival, which has been organized by the Directorate of Horticulture and the Department of Agriculture, Government of Meghalaya, along with Farmers' Welfare and in partnership with the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency, had taken place at Thadmuthlong Village, Laskein Block. Those present included the chairman of the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, N Kumar, state government officials, representatives of the village DURBAR, entrepreneurs, farmers, and others. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma spoke on the state government's intention in organizing the Lakadong Festival at Laskein Block in West Jaintia Hills district of Meghalaya.
The reason why we called it the Lakadong Festival and not just a Lakadong Conference is because we feel that we need to celebrate. This is something to celebrate. We need to be proud of it. We need to attract other people also to come in and see what you have done, how you have taken this product that has been blessed by Almighty to us, and how you have converted into something that will be a source of revenue and income and livelihood for the farmers and the people of this area. So therefore it's something we must celebrate and something that we must ensure that we are able to take this forward. So once again,
on the Lakadong mission, Conrad Sangma said that the MDA government aims at promoting farmers of the state through an entire value chain of the mission mode. Sangma is hopeful that the state government's target, plan, vision and mission of increasing the per capita GSDP will enable the state to be included amongst the top 10 states in the country in the next decade.
And that's why we looked at the entire value chain. It starts with giving the seeds to the farmers, training them of how to take care of the product, helping them in processing, helping them in packaging, helping them in marketing. It is all these steps that matter for a farmer. And the government's job is to ensure that we see the entire spectrum and help the farmer all the way. That is what a mission mode program is all about. That when we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, that is 60 years, we should be among the top 10 states in the country. That means the per capita GSDP should be among the top 10 states in the country. And that doesn't happen just because I say it should happen. It happens because we have a target. It happens because we have a plan to achieve the target. It happens because we have a mission to achieve that target. And that is why today, the GSDP of the state, the primary sector, which is the agriculture sector, adds 22% to the GSDP. 70% of our population is dependent on agriculture. Now, just by distributing seeds, if we expect that we're going to increase that contribution to the GSDP, it's not going to happen. Just by ensuring that we have one fair and one training program, that the income of the farmers will go up, it will not happen. That in the past 4 years, what we had seen and what we had started with. Today we are here, after 4 years, I'm sure, and I'm happy in fact, that Mr. N Kumar is here to actually witness it himself, because he was instrumental in starting this mission. I'm sure he must be one of the most happy and the satisfied person to ultimately see the curcumin extraction taking place right here. There was a time when the curcumin content had to be measured in Kolkata. It would take 10 days. We did it in 10 minutes out here. This is the kind of technology and the kind of improvement that we are doing for the farmers.